うえどねすでウェンズデイ。前回ね、なんか伝えたいことがあったの。その日本のさ、名前について。でもさ、伝えたいことが多いと日本語がいっぱいになっちゃったから。そして新しいホワイトボードっていうか、まあこれもう一枚あるんだけどね。ちょっとテンション上げていかない。気づいたことあったらここで言ってもいい？これ英語で言うべきかな。私気づいた。これ上靴に名前書くやつ。上靴派。アニメで上履きって言ってるの聞いて、上履きって言えるようにしようと思った。そんなことはどうでも意味ない。キモいんだけど自分。そうだろう。意味わかんねえよ。なんで毎週こうなるんだよ。毎週。もうこれ最後の2枚だからこれ。トイレットペーパーとか書いてさ。ホワイトボードマーカー。よし、これで挑もう。マジで令和の落書き何やったん本当に。いらねえ。本当に勘弁してほしい。なんかやっぱもう英語をやるっていうことにさ、もうストレスがさ、とりあえず英語をいっぱい喋ろうって。Hi Bill, nice to see you again.
Hi Sarah, how are you? How have you been?
Okay.
What's that? Oh, it's a kanji again.
令和。
Okay.
Japan has the error's name. Error.
Oh, okay. Error. Okay.
Error of
Error.
history. No. History.
Yeah, I understand.
Error. Now, 令和 the 60th. Six years old.
Oh, it's a Reiwa period, and it's the 6th year of that.
令和 period.
Yeah, you could say that. Yeah, period.
Period.
Yeah, or era.
昭和
Era is okay.
昭和 period. 令和 period.
Okay, and it's the 6th year.
Sixth year
Yeah. Okay.
of the 令和 period.
Yeah, you could say era. This one.
Era. So I was born in Heisei era.
Oh, okay, you were born in Heisei.
Heisei era.
Okay.
Heisei gal.
Heisei girl. You're okay?
You know, today
Okay, today.
I will speak only English.
Yeah, great.
So
yeah.
brace yourself.
Okay, brace myself. Yes. Okay.
Get ready.
Yeah, I'll get ready.
Prepare yourself.
Okay. I'll prepare myself.
You know, today, so before the summer become,
Summer. Yep.
Before the summer come,
Before the sun comes.
summer comes,
Yep.
I cleaned my air conditioner.
Or you cleaned your air conditioner.
Air conditioner on the wall,
Oh, okay.
on the living dining,
Living room.
living room
Okay.
wall.
You actually clean the air conditioner?
Yes, like a professional.
Oh, it was done by the professional?
Done by?
Was it cleaned by the
Done ね。Done by not by professional.
No.
Myself.
You have a skill to clean it up.
Cleaner, そう、まあそう。
Wow.
I
I've never
searched
done it before.
I searched on YouTube.
Oh, okay. You looked into YouTube to how to clean it.
ググレ貸す。
Excuse me?
Google is your friend.
Google is my what?
Friend.
Oh yeah, yeah. You could say that. Yeah. Yeah, I use Google. Yeah.
おじさんだからこれわかんないかな。Today, recently,
Today or recently?
この時代、in this era,
Yeah. In this era. Yeah.
YouTube teaches us everything.
Yes. Yeah. YouTube teaches you everything. Yeah.
Yeah,
YouTube is a very good teacher. Yeah.
so YouTube is a very good teacher, but you're the better.
Yeah. Oh, I'm better. Oh, thank you. Wow.
Better than YouTube.
Okay. Thank you. I'm better than YouTube.
You're a great
Thank God,
teacher.
Thank God.
You're a great teacher, Onizuka.
Oh, thank you. I'm a great teacher. Okay.
Great teacher, Onizuka.
That's a very good compliment. Thank you.
Then, I covered
Compliment.
the ハンダゴテで重々する基盤。And this is the equipment.
Equipment?
Parts of the air conditioner.
Oh, okay. That's the part of an AC.
AC. This is the part of the AC.
Okay.
And the color is green. And
Green.
green.
Green. Yeah. That sounds better. Yeah.
Green.
Okay.
The color is green.
Okay.
Green.
Yeah.
で、ハンダゴテの銀。とにかくsilver. ミニsilver.
Oh, okay.
Silver.
So. Okay.
Silver. And the line. Hey, I have a question. Gold, silver.
Silver.
Next, silver.
Silver. Yeah, that's better. Yes.
The number one is gold.
Yep.
The number two is silver.
Silver.
What is the number three?
Oh, bronze.
Bronze line.
Okay.
この plate. The plate.
Oh, okay. It's the base, right? The computer chip.
So computer chip.
Okay.
Base.
Okay.
Base.
Okay.
Or cover with the garbage 袋。袋。garbage 袋。
You threw the computer chip in the garbage?
garbage じゃない。バッグ？袋が garbage plastic bag.
Oh, okay. It's a garbage bag. Okay.
And
The plastic, right?
19 little very big plastic bag.
Oh, very big plastic. You covered that
Cover
computer chip with that
with that
plastic bag. Okay.
with the plastic bag and towels. Towel. Oh,
it's a
Towel.
towel.
ん
Towel.
土屋 Towel.
Yep. Towel.
Towel.
Towel. Yes.
土屋 Towel. A lot of towel. Bath towel.
Bath towel. Okay.
Bath towel.
Okay.
土屋タオル。Bath towel. Bath towel.
Bath.
知らんけど。これモノマネのモノマネやけど。ごめん。Today, I use only English word.
Yes. Yeah, you mentioned that
Sorry.
in the beginning. Yes.
So, I have a long hose because I'm growing vegetables,
Oh yes. You have
You
a long
know.
horse. Yeah. Okay.
as you know.
All right.
So, I use it to clean my AC.
Oh, okay. You use the horse, long
Yes.
horse.
AC,
To clean AC. Okay.
AC のまずここのチップ、ベース、
Okay.
メタルチップ、
All right.
なんちゅうのそれをまずカバー。
Okay. You
Cover.
cover those really critical portion, right? The base.
critical portion base.
Okay.
Covered
Yeah, covered with your plastic.
with a plastic bag.
Okay.
And then 取る I
Remove.
remove the 外せるcan attachment and can 外せら棒の外せら棒ちょっと待って外せら棒外せるに英語をつけてみた外せら棒removable parts
Okay.
I removed
Oh, you removed all the removable parts
removable
from
parts
the AC. Okay.
from the AC
Okay.
and entire I covered entire AC the AC with the plastic bag.
Okay. So you cover this small chip with your plastic bag and remove all the removable parts, and you cover the AC with the plastic bag again.
Bag again. So
Alright.
entire
All right. Okay.
and それを筒状にこう水を筒状にこうくそ何にも私英語知らんやん何にも知らん to
Okay.
like a to
Like a tube.
water
Yeah, water.
with no plastic bag the water めっちゃこぼれる water かける shower
Okay, you showered the aircon. Okay.
I showered aircon if I showered aircon and without plastic bag
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a disaster. Yeah. Okay.
大惨事 accident big accident happen
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a problem. Yes.
problem
Yeah.
So こう and ここにバケツってカタカナよね
It's a bucket.
待ってバケットだ
Okay, bucket. Yeah.
バケット
Okay, you put a bucket on your floor.
そう I put bucket on my
Okay.
on my floor and floor 言うと思った floor
Right. Sarah, don't get mad. You know, I'm trying to help here.
So then so I showered then very black water
Oh, the dirty water.
dirty water
Okay, it was drained with dirty water.
dirty water
Okay.
めっちゃ流れてin the bucket
Into the bucket.
into
Okay.
the bucket
Okay.
amazing
Oh wow.
I'm surprised
Yeah.
so
Wow, that must be hard work. I mean,
そうそう。
is your AC working after that?
Yes.
No issue?
No issue.
Wow, great.
Yes. Maybe.
I paid the professional to do it.
No. 1万円かかる。別に高い。Too expensive.
Yeah, I know. I know it's expensive, but I don't want to break the AC.
誰かにできることは私にもできる。
Oh yeah, you have the skill. Yes, you have the skill.
Something you can do. I can do it.
Oh, something I can do, you can do it.
So, everything.
Oh, everything.
I can do everything.
Oh yeah, you're capable. Yes.
You're everything. You're everything. You're everything.
Okay.
You're my everything. Bill.
I'm your everything. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I was born to love you.
Okay. Wow, that's a.
おこ
Excuse me. Sorry.
いい加減おこ
Sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm totally fine. Yes.
You seem like angry.
Oh no, I'm not angry at all.
Seriously?
Seriously?
出た、シリアス前言われたんだ。
Serious.
Serious. O と U の間でしょだから。Seriously. Seriously.
Yes.
ほら
Very good.
ほらね
Yes, you're getting better. You get better.
Seriously. Seriously.
Yes, yeah, that sounds
ほら、ちょっと良くなったやろ
better.
ほら。見ろ Look at me.
Yes, I'm looking at you. Yeah.
So, the air is so tasty.
Oh yeah. It must. Your air in your room must be really clean. Yeah.
Like a mountain.
Yeah, fresh air.
I'm on the top of the world.
Yeah, you feel like you're top of the world. Yes.
Such a feeling coming over me.
Oh, yes. Carpet.
There is wonder in most everything I see.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. You're my cousin. From today, you're my cousin.
Yeah, I'm your cousin from today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You must play the piano.
Okay. Like carpenters. Okay.
Yeah.
I can't play.
Play the piano. Have you ever played the instrument?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, sorry, Sarah. Time is up for this week. Yeah, but I do play guitar.
Thank you.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, the time is up. I guess we will see you in the next lesson again. Maybe we could talk about music next time. Yeah.
Music about yes. I wanna talk with you about music.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Yep.
All right, it was good lesson. I think you spoke good amount of English today. So.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. It was a great lesson. So.
Thank you.
All right, then I will speak to you again.
Thank you. Your cooperation.
Yes, thank you,
Yeah.
Sarah. Appreciate it. All right.
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you
Thank you.
in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. 上野ですで。
Wednesday.
Wednesday.